Do you swear every Monday this week's the one, only to stare at the same untouched goal list by Friday? Buried in dust and regret? Here's the brutal truth. 92% of people ditch their goals in under 30 days. Not from lack of drive, but from zero system. Meet Alex, a driven creator juggling a 9-to-5, side hustle, and family. He's got 3 big goals locked in his head: drop 10 pounds before summer, speak fluent Spanish, and launch my online course. Epic on paper, right? Reality hits. Endless Slack pings, surprise Zoom calls, kids' homework, gym guilt. 0 boxes checked. He feels stuck, defeated, whispering, maybe this isn't for me. Enter Smart Goals Pro, an instant download professional software that turns chaos into crystal clear wins using the proven SMART method. In under 3 minutes, lock in any goal. Specific. Lose 10 pounds with 3 weekly strength workouts. Measurable. Hit 175 pounds and drop 1.5 inches off waist. Achievable. Home bodyweight circuits plus meal prep Sundays. Irrelevant. Boost confidence for client calls and family adventures. Time-bound. Nail it in 90 days flat. Auto-break it into unstoppable actions. On Monday, 20-minute hit plus log macros in-app. Wednesday, 30 minutes Spanish Duolingo streak. Okay. Weekly weigh-in plus course module upload. Every checkmark explodes on your real-time dashboard. Progress bar blasting to 52%. Status charts: 2 goals green, 1 amber. Urgent alerts: course launch, final video due in 4 days. Crush more than fitness. Dominate side hustles, language mastery, budgeting, relationships, creativity, all in one powerhouse tool. Smart Goals Pro delivers. No install. Browser-based, PC or Mac. Instant digital download, up and running in 30 seconds. Export PDF Excel, proves progress, journal wins, share victories. A lifetime free updates, future-proof your growth. Ditch vanishing sticky notes, crashing spreadsheets, and the toxic tomorrow lie. With Smart Goals Pro, goals become tracked, visible, celebrated triumphs. Thousands of achievers already use it too. Flip someday into today. Stack micro wins into massive transformations. Stay racer-focused without burnout. Live with purpose, not excuses. Stop procrastinating. Start crushing. Click now. Head to whypharmanexteak.com and grab Smart Goals Pro plus elite digital support tools that turn overwhelm into unstoppable momentum. Your breakthrough starts in 30 seconds.